Hello everyone. Today we will solve the challenge called Rickroller on the olicyber.it platform. So this one is Italian-based cybersecurity platform. So no worry to practice here after the online competition has been done. No matter whatever you have any nationality. So let's solve it. The challenge description says they sent me the link, but I am constantly redirecting to the strange video. Can you tell me why? So let us see it. Okay, Rick Roller. So let us translate it this one to English. I think around here. Translate from Italian to English. Yeah, ready to get the flag. Press this button. So I will press it. Oh, yeah, as the challenge indicates us, there is a redirection to the strange video. Can you tell me why? So it's not here the flag. So let us see any other way. Let us open it again and inspect it the page source if interesting part is there. Yep, here is. Yeah, let us copy this link, the href get.flag.php. So we can use it, the curl command, to see what's here. So you can use it, the syntax curl and the URL. So let us curl it. Let us curl. Yeah, curl and the URL. Oh, we get the flag. Let us try it on the Olicyber platform. Here, paste and then submit the flag. Yeah, valid flag. Thank you for watching. If you get it, this one is interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.